big breaking news coming in. This is regarding the vice presidential polls. The opposition pick for the vice president candidate has issued a video appeal via X. The video that you're seeing on the screens is by B. Sudarshan Reddy. He has made an appeal to the MPs saying that vote for India's interest and not for my interest, not for your interest, but for India's interest. And he also said it's time for the people of India to decide what's right for the country. We all know that although Justice Reddy lacks in the number game, he is trying to reach out to the members of NDA, the MPs of NDA, and this is a video appeal that he has issued. Let's listen to the video appeal.
अभी उपराष्ट्रपति के चुनाव 2-3 दिन में आने वाले हैं और मैं आप सबसे दरखास्त करूंगा, अपने पार्टी के हित में नहीं लेकिन देश के हित में सोच समझकर आप मतदान करिए। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप जो भी निर्णय लेंगे वो मेरे हित में और आपके हित में नहीं लेकिन देश के हित में आपका निर्णय होगा। जो भी आपका निर्णय होगा मैं स्वीकार करने के लिए तैयार हूँ। ये देश आपकी है, मेरी है और अपने सबकी है।
And joining us now on the phone line is Maushmi Singh. Maushmi, once again the opposition pick Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy is trying to reiterate that difference between him and the opposition candidate. Again and again they're trying to raise this issue that they, or rather the candidate of the opposition, stands for the constitution. So here he is making an appeal to the people to vote for the interest of India. What does he mean by that?
So clearly, if you see, Mr. Sudarshan Reddy has been, voicing this a voice of the inner conscience and saying that this is a fight for preserving the constitution. He has, in fact, clearly drawn out the lines between him and the candidate of the NDA, saying that he is not affiliated to any political party. He believes in the constitution. And here, very interestingly, yet again, he says that you should follow the voice of your conscience. Whatever your decision will be, that will be respected by me. And he is before this, he had issued a letter to all MPs, barring the ministers of the NDA, appealing to them to follow the voice, their inner voice, saying that this is not an election that any political party fights. Every MP has the right to exercise his vote, his or her vote, and thereby, it is the MP who elects the Vice President of India.
Right. Thank you, Maushmi, for those details. So clearly, as the vice presidential election, the polls are inching closer. There are appeals being made. You see the opposition pick Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy making an appeal via a video that's been released by the Congress.